kickstart your day with positivity and productivity? Here's a quick 10-minute morning routine that will set the tone for success and resilience. Don't forget, every setback is an opportunity for a comeback, and it all starts with how you begin your day. Meet Sarah, who overcame self-doubt to pursue her passion thanks to this morning routine, and John, who turned his failure into fuel for success. By incorporating simple yet powerful strategies into your morning routine, you can cultivate a mindset of resilience and positivity. Number 1, journaling helps you clarify your goals. 2, affirmations rewire your mindset for success. And 3, visualization. This primes your brain for achievement. Remember, every morning is a new beginning. Embrace this routine and watch you bounce back stronger than ever before. Start your journey to a more productive and positive life today. Bye for now.